Hi, my name's Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to treat bronchitis without antibiotics. First thing we've got to do, of course, is get some ingredients together in order to create an herbal decoction that can be helpful for this. We need a cutting board, we need a good cutting knife, about 3 cloves of garlic, a small handful of thyme, a bit of fresh ginger. It's important that it's fresh. And if it's available to you, it's very helpful to get some osha root. And we only need about 5 to 10 grams of osha root. We want to get a fresh French press in order to add all these herbs in together. About 2 cups of boiling hot water, and of course a glass or a mug to drink our tea with. So once we get these ingredients together, we can go ahead and chop them up and combine them together into the French press. Let them steep for between 10 and 15 minutes. Even though it doesn't sound very good, the decoction actually of this doesn't taste that bad. But if you need to add a little bit of honey, that's quite all right. And remember, bronchitis can be a serious disorder. And so there's a time and a place for antibiotics. So in the early stages, it's okay to go ahead and use some herbal remedies for that. And even within Chinese medicine, there's some very, very effective treatments for both acute and chronic bronchitis. And of course, if your bronchitis is coming from something like COPD or chronic smoking or some other kind of serious chronic lung disorder, it's important that you're seeing an acupuncture physician who's well experienced with herbs or a well-trained herbalist or your MD. So once you've put all of these ingredients together into the French press and let them steep for 10 to 15 minutes, make sure that you drink about a half cup every 2 to 3 hours. And so you may have to make a couple of different batches of this in order to work with it. Drink plenty of fluids, get lots of rest, and try to stay away from any dairy products, refined sugars, or refined carbohydrates. And usually within about a day or so, you should be able to lick the acute bronchitis with this formula. So this is Bob Linde in St. Petersburg, Florida, talking to you about how to use herbs for bronchitis. So please enjoy your herbs.